Is this the time to hit the housing market? Well, rising interest rates have some folks asking if they should be dipping their toes in. Maybe they're getting cold feet. Suzanne Bruner, though, has some important advice to consider before you sign on the dotted line.
The North Texas housing market is starting to cool. With interest rates nearly double since the start of the year, buyers are taking a step back.
Consumers are basically saying, you know what, I don't want this mortgage loan any longer because I can't afford that monthly payment. And then, of course, when you start tacking on things like escrows for property taxes and escrows for homeowners insurance, that monthly payment now is considerably higher than it would have been last year at this time.
Credit expert John Olsheimer seeing more buyers wanting to back out of their mortgage. They're realizing interest rates and inflation is gradually growing during their housing search. So how will your credit look if you walk away?
If you back out at that point, then you're going to go through the foreclosure process. The lender is going to take the home away from you. They're going to sell it. It's just a mess.
There's no easy way to recover, but there are steps you can take.
List the house and sell it. And hopefully you sell it for enough to cover the amount that you've borrowed. Or you can ask the lender for some sort of forbearance or some sort of a loan modification.
The consequences don't end there. You could wait 7 years before getting another mortgage loan because of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac's forced waiting periods policy.
You may miss the next housing boom. You may miss the next dip in mortgage interest rates. And so to the extent that you can avoid getting into a mortgage loan that you know you cannot afford, do it now.
Because once you sign the dotted line, there's no going back. In Dallas, I'm Suzanne Bruner.